Hi children, today you are going to learn 7th class chapter number 8 Congruency of triangles in that exercise number 8.2. In the 8.2 exercise completely we use the congruency rule of side angle side. What is meaning of side angle side? The included angle between the two sides. So, two sides one included angle of one triangle is equal to corresponding to the two sides one included angle of a second triangle, and the two triangles are said to be congruent by the rule of side angle side. So, there will be some questions here in the exercise number 8.2. Let us try to solve these problems now. We go for the question number 1. See that the question number 1 is that what additional information do you need to conclude the two triangles given here under the congruence rule of SAS? Under the congruence rule of SAS. ఇంకా ఎక్కువ ఏ అడిషనల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ కావాలి ఈ ఇచ్చిన రెండు ట్రయాంగిల్స్ కాంగ్రుయెంట్ అని ప్రూవ్ చేయడానికి బై ది రూల్ ఆఫ్ సైడ్ యాంగిల్ సైడ్. సో these two angles are given here. Here the angle, here one angle is given. That means these two angles are equal. Again, additionally, what information is required? Given that already, in triangle, okay, GHJ, okay, GHJ and in triangle STR. RTS in triangle RTS, given that already angle GHJ is equal to angle RTS, these two are given. What additional information required to prove the additional information required? The additional information we need to prove the triangles GHJ and triangle RTS are congruent by side angle side, that are what additional information be required to prove these two triangles are congruent by the side angle side. That means these two sides will be equal. Here on the sides, this angle should be in middle, so we have to take now these sides. So here GH should be equal to RT and also HJ should be equal to TS. These two additional information we required to prove. See, if these two sides are equal and these two angles are equal and these two sides are equal, side angle side and side angle side, by side angle side, the two sides, the included angle of this triangle, here these two sides are included angle of these two triangles. If they are equal, hence we can conclude that these two triangles are congruent by the side angle side. I hope you understood this. Now we go for the second one. అంటే అడిషనల్గా ఏ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ కావాలి, అది సైడ్ యాంగిల్ సైడ్ అని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. అడిషనల్గా ఈ రెండు సైడ్స్ ఉంటుంది కదా, ఇఫ్ యూ రైట్ దిస్ యూ గెట్ మార్క్స్, బట్ దట్ ఈస్ ద ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్. Yes, see that the question number 2 till that time I will draw a diagram here. Till that time go through the question. You read the question till that time, I will draw the diagram here. Now here it is a and M and B, it is Q, it is P, and is given 3 kilometers, and here it is a 6 kilometers, and it is a 4 kilometer. Now let us write here. The map has given shows 5 different villages. So here there are 5 different villages in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 different villages, and the village M. This is the village M. Exactly half of the way between the two pairs of villages A and B as well as P and Q. This village is exactly in the middle of this AB village. That means A and B, there are 2 villages, and M is another village between these 2 villages exactly in the middle. And as well as for P and Q also, M is a village between P and Q exactly half of the distance. That means the distance from the MB is equal to the distance from the AM. M is a midpoint, no? So here MB is equal to AM. M అనేది ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా హాఫ్ లో ఉంది, హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ది లెంత్ లో ఉంది. అంటే M టు B ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ ఉందో A టు M కూడా అంతే డిస్టెన్స్ ఉంది. అలాగే M టు Q కు ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ ఉందో Q టు M కూడా అంతే డిస్టెన్స్ ఉంది. So this is what we have to write. Next, see that what is the distance between the village A and P? The distance between the village A and P is what we need to find out. Okay, let us find out first. Let us take the triangles now. In triangles APM and triangle BQM. These 2 triangles, let us take it and we'll prove these 2 triangles are congruent first. Okay, let us take first where AM is equal to BM, because M is a midpoint, no? That is equal to 3 kilometers. M is a midpoint, so midpoint. So these 2 will be equal. Then here angle M is equal to this angle M, angle AMP. Angle AMP is equal to angle BMQ. BMQ. So this angle are vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Then here PM is equal to QM. PM is equal to QM. This also M is a midpoint here. Now if you see, this is side and angle, this is side, angle, side. Therefore we can say that the triangle APM, it is congruent to triangle BQM. These 2 triangles are congruent. By which rule? We know that side, angle, side, angle, side, angle, side. So by the rule of side, angle, side rule, definitely we have to write. Now by using, do you remember one thing, children? By using CPCT rule, that means corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles rules. We can say that the remaining parts are also equal. So the AP equal to QN. That means here BQ is equal to AP. Or AP equal to BQ. But as you know, given that BQ equal to 4 centimeter now already, so AP equal to this BQ value is 4 kilometers. 4 kilometers. So we need to find out the distance between the AP is equal to 4 kilometers. How? By using CPCT rule. Already these 2 sides and this angle is equal. of this triangle. So in these two triangles now, the remaining sides and angles will be equal by using CPCT rule. So these two sides will be equal. Again, these two angles and these two angles also will be equal. But they ask only the distance from the A to B. The distance from village A to P is 4 kilometer. The distance from village A to P is 4 kilometers. This 4 kilometers ఉంది కదా, ఇది కూడా 4 kilometers అవుతుంది. ఎలా వచ్చినాయి? రెండు ఈక్వల్ గా అయినాయి బై CPCT రూల్. అవి ఈక్వల్ అయ్యాయి. What is the meaning of CPCT rule? The corresponding parts of congruent triangles. ఏవైనా రెండు ట్రయాంగిల్స్ కాంగ్రుయెంట్ అయితే ఆ ట్రయాంగిల్ లో మిగిలిన సైడ్స్ అండ్ యాంగిల్స్ అన్నీ కూడా కాంగ్రుయెంట్ అవుతాయి, ఈక్వల్ గా ఉంటాయి. సో the bit number 3 here. In the bit number 3, look at that. Look at the pair of triangles given below. Are they congruent? If the congruent, write the congruent corresponding parts. Write the corresponding parts. So if the given questions are congruent, we have to write the corresponding parts also. Okay, let me draw the diagram first. Here the diagrams. It is a triangle ABC, first one, and next triangle is SRT. Okay, here is 4 centimeter and angle is 130 degrees and it is 6 centimeter. Now it will be a 4 centimeter TSR and 6 centimeter, and here it is a 130 degrees. Side side, angle and side. So these two triangles will be congruent. Now we can write in triangle ABC, and in triangle TSR, what we can write now, where AB is equal to TS is equal to 4 centimeter and angle BAC is equal to angle TSR, that equal to 130 degrees. This is a side and this is an angle, and the one more side, that is AC equal to here, that equal to SR, that equal to 6 centimeter. This is also on a side. So we can say that now the triangles ABC is congruent to triangle TSR. So these two triangles are congruent now by the rule of side, angle, side. So by using CPCT rule, we can write now the corresponding parts, the corresponding sides and corresponding angles we have to write. Already two sides are given. The one more sides, the corresponding sides. Side, the corresponding side, as we can say, the corresponding side BC equal to RT. BC equal to RT, and corresponding angles here, angle B equal to here, angle B equal to, we can write angle T, angle C equal to angle R. So angle B equal to angle T and angle C equal to angle R. So these two angles will be equal. Yes. So when you replace like this, see, this triangle you replace on this. It's a mirror reflection images, like it. You just this triangle you replace on this. So angle B equal to angle T, angle C equal to angle R you get. Okay. Just దాన్ని అడ్జస్ట్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేయండి. Second question solution. Now let us see the second figure, and here it also will be the same. Now this is the diagram of 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and here the angle is O, and this will be vertically opposite angles. It is a 3 centimeter and it is a 4 centimeter. Let us write the name of this triangle PQO, POQ or ROS, ROS. Now let us take the triangles. First of all, let us show these two triangles are congruent or not. So let us take in triangles. First we wrote triangles congruent and do the triangle POQ and triangle ROS. In these two triangles now, here PO equal to RO, that equal to 3 centimeter. This is a given side actually. Then here now you QO or OQ equal to OS, that equal to 4 centimeter. But angle will write first. Angle POQ equal to angle ROS, that equal to vertically opposite angles. The vertically opposite angles. You know what is meaning of vertically opposite angles. Next we go for here OQ is equal to OS, that equal to here 4 centimeter. This is also a side. Now if you observe now, side angle side angle side. By the rule of triangle POQ, which is congruent to triangle ROS, by the congruence rule of side angle side rule, by using CPCT rule, we can say that we can write that or we can say that corresponding sides the corresponding sides will be that PQ equal to RS, then corresponding angles now, the corresponding angles are here. Angle R equal to angle S, angle Q equal to angle S, angle R equal to angle P, like angle P equal to angle R, angle P equal to angle R, angle Q equal to angle S. So these are the solutions of first and second of this third bit. Now we go for question number 3 in the third bit and also question number 4. In the same way we have to prove it. Either the given figures are congruent or not. If they are congruent, what are the corresponding parts? Corresponding parts in the sense, in that parts maybe corresponding sides will be here and corresponding angles also will be there. So we have to write individually that what are the corresponding sides and what are the corresponding angles by using CPCT rule. So here they are given a square this time. Let us draw the square. And this is a figure they have given here, OD RW. As we know, if we join opposite vertices, we get the diagonals of the quadrilaterals, and it is S. And here have given that it is a 3.7 centimeters, and this is also 3.7 centimeter. And it is a 4.5 centimeter, and it is also a 4.5 centimeter. It's not a square, children. Notice this is a rectangle because length and breadth are different. Sorry. Okay. Then now we go for here the angles are given 90 degrees. Okay, angles are given 90 degrees. Now let me take a triangles here. First of all, these two triangles are congruent or not, that's we know it. We have to prove it. Now you take in triangle ROD, and the triangle WDO in these two triangles. What we can say? See that here RO is equal to, here we can say DW or WD that equal to, it is a 4.5 centimeter, it is a side. Next here you see angle DRO which is equal to angle DWO that equal to 90 degrees. Both angles are 90 degrees, so it is an angle. So see that there is a one angle you have to take. Next you have to take DWO, the upside triangle and downside triangle. You forgot about this now. Yes, forget about this and do the problem. Now what we can say, now here you can take now RD equal to, so it is a RD equal to 3.7 and WO equal to, okay, WO equal to 3.7 centimeter. This is also a side. This is an side. Now we can say side angle side, they are equal. Yes. Now therefore the triangle ROD which is congruent to triangle WDO is congruent to triangle WO by the side angle side rule. By CPCT rule, by using CPCT rule, we can write that the corresponding sides equal to and corresponding angles. The corresponding side, see what is the corresponding side is left already. These two sides are given. The third side will be OD is equal to WR. OD equal to WR. OD equal to WR. That is the corresponding side, and the rest corresponding angles. What are the corresponding angles here? Angles. These two angles will be. Okay. Now these two angles will be equal, like so angle ROD equal to angle WDO and also next angles are, see now this angle is equal to here. Yes. Now angle RDO which is equal to angle WOD. So corresponding parts and corresponding sides and corresponding angles I have written here. Next we go for fourth solution of this bit. So here they have given a trapezium this side. This time they have given a trapezium. You know what is meaning of trapezium also? Yes. Now it is ABCD and we know it is a 4 centimeter and here the 7 centimeter. The diagonal of the trapezium is given that it is a 30 degrees and here it is a 30 degrees. So very good. Now let us try to prove that these two triangles are congruent or not. Now let us take in triangles. What triangles I am taking? We have to observe only those triangles. Triangle ABC. So you have to take triangle ABC and triangle ACD in these two triangles. Okay, these two triangles. Let us take these two triangles are congruent or not first. So see that here AB is not equal to DC. So first of all let us write AB is not equal to DC. Finish? No. Here itself they are not congruent. Then we will see again anything else. Easy said anything? Nothing. About these two sides they are not given. And here, yes, angle BAC is equal to angle DCA. DCA equal to 30 degrees is okay. Then AC equal to AC. AC equal to AC, it is a a common side for both triangles, but here the condition is not satisfied. This, see, side angle side, okay, side angle this side and side angle this side. Okay, here angle are equal, one common side is equal, one common side, one angle is equal, but here it is 4 cm and it is 7 cm. So they are not congruent now. So the triangle ABC is not congruent to triangle ACD. So if they are not congruent, their corresponding parts will not be equal, because CPCT rule will not hold in these statements. CPCT rule will not satisfy in these conditions. So if they are congruent only, CPCT rule we can write. So we cannot write now corresponding parts of the congruent triangles, because the triangle here they are not a congruent first. These two triangles are not at all a congruent. So how can we write the corresponding sides and corresponding angles for this? We cannot write. If the triangles are congruent, we can write the corresponding sides and corresponding angles. Now we go for the question number 4. The question number 4 we require to write now. See, the question number 4 is very easy one, as we can complete the question number 4 very soon. To satisfy SAS, what required thing we need? That is what? You read the question till that time. I will draw the diagram here. Read the question, children, once, so that you can understand. Yes. Now here the two triangles are given, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Here triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Let us see what is the question here. Which corresponding side we need to know, prove that the triangles are congruent by using SAS criterion. To prove that these two triangles are congruent, what corresponding side is we require? We require the corresponding side, we require the corresponding side, the corresponding side that we require to prove the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by the SAS criterion rule is that what corresponding side angle and this side is required. Okay, and here side angle and this side is required. Side angle side should be required. Now what is the side? AB should be equal to QR. AB is equal to QR. This side we require. So this side is required. Okay. Then we go for the next one. Let us see what is that. Here I will draw the diagram here itself now. Then we go for the fourth bit. It is the second one. And here there is a triangle. Here it is A, B, C and it is D. And here it is 35 degrees and 35 degrees. Here 35 degrees, here 35 degrees. See that we have a triangle ABC and triangle ACD. Triangle ABC and here triangle ACD. See that what is given already. This AC is a common side and this is an angle. One side angle and this side is required. Already side angle and this side is required. Side angle side angle side. In that way these two triangles will be the corresponding side that we require to prove the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ACD by the rule of side angle side criterion rule, that is here what side AB should be equal to AD. AB is equal to AD. So that is what the diagrams are given here clearly. You can go through the diagrams and you can understand what is that. Simple. Okay, with this exercise number 8.2 completed, children. So practice the 8.2 exercise properly, and you will come to know that what is the rule of side angle side. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you all. Bye.